All right, to give you a quick introduction, I'm going to tell you something about an easy self-made automation feature in AdWords that many people of you may know, but many of you may not know how to use it properly. Basically, it's about automizing bid management in a... Does that work with the microphone?
Yeah.
Cool. In a DIY style.
Okay.
All right. Timer's running. Sorry, guys, I came a little late this morning. That's why presentation hasn't been running. All right. So my name is Till. I'm working for Conversearch, which is a Google Premium partner based in Germany. We're doing AdWords and PPC for more than 8 years now, and we specialize in the tour and travel industry. So basically, we have a lot of clients from tour operators in Egypt to the Hong Kong Tourism Board, lots of five-star hotels in Italy, in Germany, Austria, etc. And this is also my field of expertise. We are a very small and dedicated team. I just mentioned that we currently have about 100 clients. That means we're running campaigns for about 100 clients with a team of, guess? 5 guys, whereof 2 are actually part-timers. So efficiency is one of our strengths. And I'm going to show you some tips and tricks how we achieve those goals without using bid management tools, because we believe that third-party tools are maybe viable for large accounts, excuse me, but not for small and medium accounts. The annual budget we are managing for our clients is around 5 million euros, so just to give you an idea in which league we are playing. And still, we do all that without any third-party tools or bid management tools. And I'm going to show you how. All right. So we are efficiency-driven, as I just mentioned. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you a snapshot of potential automation scenarios, but I'm going to deep dive especially into bid management with AdWords filters. I'm going to take you into the basic filters and show you how to automate those filters with automated rules. And in the end, letting AdWords doing the entire bid management for you. After that, I'm going to present you some scripts that we developed, and that also basically help in manual bid management as well as assist the automated rules in AdWords. All right, you can follow? Good. As I just mentioned, automation in AdWords takes place on 3 levels. The front end, which is basically the AdWords surface where you log in. The AdWords scripts that you can implement, little JavaScripts basically, and the AdWords API. And as mentioned before, we are focusing on front end because that is where the automated rules are placed. Just to give you some scenarios of automation in AdWords, and probably the latest feature which has been launched this week only is the smart display campaign. Also, dynamic search ads are a feature in AdWords, and target CPA and enhanced CPA bidding. But that's all stuff we don't do very often because you give away power to Google, and Google is a black box, as you all know, and that's what we don't like because it counter-strikes our efficiency approach. So basically, automated rules and scripts by Conversearch, and the rest we are skipping. A quick step into the basics of bid management. Basically, bid management is rule-based. So if something happens, then something else will take place. The filters in AdWords are often disregarded, though they are really powerful. And the entire idea of bid management using filters is to select non-performing keywords from the performing keywords. And these keywords can be identified with filters quite easily. And I am going to show you the 5 most powerful filters that we use on a day-to-day basis. The first thing you have to identify is on which position your keywords are actually converting. Because if you want to drive CPCs towards driving your keywords to a certain position, you need to identify where they do actually perform. And this is something that you can analyze in the segmentation tab of your keywords. So if you open the segmentation tab of your keywords and look into historic data, it tells you on which very position keywords are actually